Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will talk about why knowing your audience is the foundation of delivering an effective speech and how to analyze your audience thoroughly. Understanding your audience is critical. The success of a speech depends largely on how well your message resonates with your listener. When you know your audience, you can adjust the complexity and depth of your content to suit their knowledge level, predict and address their attitudes, beliefs, and possible objection early on. Build rapport with your audience by reflecting shared values and experience. Use language, tone, and examples that they find relevant and interesting. The 5D Audience Insight method breaks down audience analysis into a 5 case area. First, demographics. Demographics is collect basic information such as age, gender, education, occupation, cultural background, and group affiliation. To understand the motivation behind your audience, belief, and behaviors. 3. The decision factors. Understand how your audience decides to accept or reject an idea. 4. Disposition. Understand the current attitude, prior knowledge, bias, and possible response to your topic. 5. Deliver context. Consider the setting of your speech, including venue, timing, audience size, and whether the speech is in person or virtual. With this insight, we can strategically prepare and tailor our speech to fit our audience.
Hello, my name is Vio Octaviani. Usually call me Okta. Yes, I am presenter 2. Practical step in audience analysis and ethical communication. Continuing from the 5D framework, let's talk about how to practically analyze an audience before your speech. The first is pre-analysis research. This involves speaking with event organizers or representative audience members to understand their expectation, prior knowledge, and concern. You should also study any prior representation or relevant development related to your topic. Next is data collection, which can be informal, like observing the audience or gathering second-hand information, or formal, such as conducting surveys, polls, or interview with open and closed-ended questions to uncover demographic details and attitude. After collecting your data, organize your findings to build audience personas, highlighting their knowledge level, preference, common values, and difference. This step is important for tailoring your content to maximize its impact. Before drafting your speech, clarify your purpose. Are you aiming to inform, persuade, or entertain? Make sure your goals align with your audience interests and needs. When you tailor your message, consider this factor. Use content and example that resonate with your audience demographic and values. Choose language and tone that matches your education and familiarity with the topic. Design visual aids with readable font, suitable colors, and clear chart to assist understanding. Ethical communication is essential. Always strive to be respectful, sincere, and avoid stereotypes or offensive language. Balance your ethos or credibility, logos or logic, and pathos, emotional appeal to build trust and credibility. Lastly, factor in situational awareness. Adjust your style and strategy depending on the size of the audience and the cultural context to maintain engagement.
Hello, my name is Hannah. Now let's continue the presentation by focus on how to engage our audience effectively during our speech and the importance of visual aids, and the last is self-evaluation. The first is how to engage our audience effectively. In order to engage the audience, you have to establish common ground with your listener. Use storytelling method and a little bit humor to capture audience's attention. Don't forget to pay attention to verbal and non-verbal clues such as emotion, body language, and questions. After that, let's adjust your pace and tone of speech. The next is importance of visual aids. Using visual aids is important in order to match the audience's knowledge and preference. If your audience is teenager, you have to matching your presentation with teenager knowledge. Don't forget use clear and concise visual with image and graphic if you present about complex thing or data. The next is avoid excessive text and use legible fonts for your slides. After doing your presentation, don't forget to reflect on your delivery and audience engagement in order to have self-evaluation. And next, solicit feedback from listener or some mentors. Don't forget to identify strengths and areas for improvement of your public speaking. So the conclusion is, knowing our audience is crucial for effective public speaking. Don't forget to use structured method and adaptive communication strategies to connect with your listener completely. So that's all from us. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.